Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD to USD Iraqi Dinar. Insights into redenomination, revaluation, and economic reforms. Iraq's economic landscape is undergoing significant transformation, fueled by efforts to stabilize its currency, implement legislative reforms, and boost investor confidence. The Iraqi Dinar, IQD, has long been a topic of interest for currency investors, with speculation surrounding its potential revaluation and redenomination. Let's explore the latest updates, challenges, and implications of these developments. Frank 26's Insights. Key updates on the Iraqi Dinar financial analyst. Frank 26, a prominent figure in the currency investment community, recently shared exciting updates about Iraq's economic trajectory. He revealed that Iraq's second law, SL, has been finalized, marking a pivotal step in the country's reform agenda. Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani is reportedly prepared to proceed with the next phases of economic restructuring, fueling anticipation among investors. The most discussed topic is the potential revaluation of the Iraqi dinar, a move that could dramatically impact its exchange rate against the US dollar. This revaluation, if implemented, is expected to reflect Iraq's economic reforms and restore the dinar to a position of strength in global markets. Redenomination efforts. A path toward stability. Reports from financial experts highlight that Iraq is making steady progress toward redenominating its currency. Redenomination involves phasing out higher denomination notes and introducing smaller ones, a step aimed at simplifying financial transactions and reducing inflationary pressures. This process aligns with Iraq's broader objective of reviving the dinar's pre-sanction value when it was a robust and internationally recognized currency. Redenomination is seen as a crucial strategy to rebuild trust in Iraq's monetary system, enhance everyday financial operations, and create a more realistic exchange rate. By taking these measures, Iraq aims to position itself as a stronger economic player in the region, attracting foreign investment and promoting economic growth. Progress on legislative reforms. Hydrocarbon Law, HCL. A key component of Iraq's economic strategy is the advancement of long-awaited legislative reforms, including the Hydrocarbon Law, HCL. This critical law aims to regulate revenue sharing from Iraq's oil and gas resources, ensuring equitable distribution among its regions and fostering economic harmony. Recent reports indicate that the Baghdad Treasury received 77 billion Iraqi dinars from the Kurdistan region as part of the revenue-sharing process. This transfer signifies that Iraq is nearing the implementation of the HCL, which is expected to stabilize the nation's revenue streams and reduce long-standing disputes over resource allocation. The successful implementation of the HCL could serve as a foundation for Iraq's broader economic reforms, particularly the revaluation of the dinar. By providing a reliable framework for managing its vast oil and gas resources, the law could enhance investor confidence and pave the way for greater economic integration. Revaluation. An opportunity for transformation. The revaluation of the Iraqi dinar remains a highly anticipated development in the global currency market. Many investors view this potential change as an opportunity to benefit from Iraq's improving economic conditions. Revaluation would involve adjusting the exchange rate of the dinar to reflect its true market value. For Iraq, this move could signify a turning point, as it would attract foreign investment, enhance trade relations, and boost the nation's economic standing. In parallel, the redenomination process aims to reduce dependence on large denomination notes, making everyday transactions simpler and more efficient. Together, these steps could streamline Iraq's monetary system and strengthen the dinar's position in international markets. However, achieving revaluation will require political stability, effective implementation of reforms, and sustained economic progress. Frank 26's Bank Experience. Accessibility of the dinar. In a recent anecdote, Frank 26 shared his experience visiting Huntington Bank in Pennsylvania, where he inquired about purchasing Iraqi dinars. The bank confirmed that the dinar remains available for purchase, though only at the current program rate, which is not yet favorable for most investors. This availability underscores the dinar's accessibility for those interested in currency speculation. However, the real excitement lies in the potential revaluation, which could significantly increase the dinar's value and create lucrative opportunities for investors. Government bonds, a new avenue for investment. As part of its economic reforms, Iraq is also exploring innovative financial instruments such as government bonds. These bonds provide an opportunity for both domestic and international investors to contribute to Iraq's economic growth. The issuance of bonds signals Iraq's commitment to diversifying its economy and encouraging public participation in its financial recovery. Coupled with anticipated changes in the dinar's valuation, this initiative could further bolster investor confidence and drive long-term growth. Challenges ahead. Navigating economic and political risks. Despite promising developments, Iraq faces several challenges in its journey toward economic stability. Achieving successful redenomination and revaluation will depend on the effective implementation of reforms, sustained political stability, and overcoming bureaucratic hurdles. Additionally, the volatile nature of currency investments poses risks for investors. While the potential rewards of a dinar revaluation are substantial, it is essential to approach such investments with caution and thorough research. Looking ahead, the future of Iraq's economy. The ongoing reforms in Iraq highlight a nation committed to rebuilding its economy and strengthening its financial systems. From the redenomination of its currency to legislative progress and investment initiatives, Iraq is making commendable strides toward economic stabilization. The hydrocarbon law, in particular, could serve as a game-changer by resolving resource disputes and creating a stable revenue framework. Similarly, the revaluation of the Iraqi dinar, if realized, could attract significant foreign investment and elevate Iraq's standing in the global economy. However, the path to success will require careful planning, political cohesion, and the unwavering commitment of Iraq's leadership. For investors, the potential revaluation of the dinar offers an exciting opportunity, but it is crucial to remain mindful of the inherent risks and uncertainties involved. Conclusion: Iraq's economic transformation is a story of resilience and ambition. With redenomination efforts, legislative reforms, and investment opportunities on the horizon, the nation is positioning itself for a brighter future. As these developments unfold, they raise important questions. How will Iraq's economic reforms shape its future? What impact will the revaluation of the dinar have on global investors and the country's economic standing? The answers to these questions will reveal themselves in time, as Iraq continues its journey toward economic stability and growth. For now, the world watches closely, eager to see how this unfolding story will impact the nation and the global market.